is a tiny park right behind St. Patrick's Church. I think it's more of a residential estate park. Literally not much, but I do see some history over at the wall there. And then you can get into the Astro Park as well. No dogs allowed. So it looks like there's some history up at the walls. Small tombstones. Go take a look. Right. I don't know if I can make any of that. Hoodoo Patrick Dis on the 6th day of July 1819. I can't make most of that out. It's a thing with history. Fades away over time. This stone was erected by Henry Modella. Yeah. Yeah, so this is the Cabbage Garden, it's called. It is just off the name of the street popping up now, because I didn't remember. I think it's St. Patrick's Street. But you can probably see the steeple of St. Patrick's Cathedral back there. And we have some more tombstones here, so this is probably why it was preserved. See if we can get some information off it here. Yeah, someone had graffitied over this, so Dublin, 50 years before the existence of Cabbage Gardens outside the walls of the city, was the parish of St. Nicholas. Without the church of St. Nicholas, without was the north. Hello. I think they're expecting me to feed them. Right, so back to history. The Church of St. Nicholas. They're gonna shit on me, aren't they? Was it the North St. Patrick's Cathedral, and the graveyard for the parish was adjacent to St. Patrick's Cathedral by the 17th century. But this graveyard became overcrowded. So yeah. Looks like a bit of overcrowding, overpopulation of dead bodies. So this here, we'll have a look at this rock here, and there seems to be only two entrances and exits, one off of the street I mentioned before, and then one to just behind St. Patrick's. Crench Nugent Burying Ground. No, Iraq. 1660 to 1858, this place was a burying ground of the conforming Huguenots, many of whom lived and worked in this and worshipped in the Lady Chapel of St. Patrick's Cathedral, and in the Church of Nicholas without, is dying, and behold we live. I don't know if I'm having a stroke or if that's what I'm. Anyway, this is park, a little bit of history that you've probably never seen or heard of before.